Hey guys, welcome to another vlog review, and today I'm going to review another pair of sneakers from Louis Vuitton. Yes. Okay, so before I begin, as you can see right now, I'm inside my new closet. This is my house, my own house, and if you think that I sound weird or anything, that's also because I'm actually wearing my aligners. A big shout out to Jiaren, thank you for sponsoring this video. If not, there won't be this review video. Let's quickly dive into the story of this pair of shoes. Okay, so what happened was I wanted to buy this pair of shoes, but that day I bought a lot of things and I spent like $6,000. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to get this pair of shoes, if not I will be like spending too much money. And I was like telling her about it, and she said she would get it for me. I literally got this pair of shoes last night and like doing the unboxing experience here with you guys right now. But actually I just got a pair of shoes recently as well, so the unboxing experience should be about the same lah, huh? Box, and the shoes are inside. Ta-da! Okay, oh, I know what's inside here already. It's the shoelace. The sales lady is really very nice. Look at this. I already said before, I'm not going to spend $400 on perfume. It's crazy. This is the pair of shoes that I got. It's from like one of their latest collection. Okay, it's also called the Runaway sneaker. So this is slightly different from the one that I got previously. There's like a little bit of a sole here, like a higher sole for the shoe. There's this like very nice, I don't even know what is this material called. Oh, this is the one that you know you can hear the sound. Yeah, I don't like it. Here, this part, it looks like translucent, but it's not. When you wear socks, you cannot see. Okay, and the front part looks like this. Okay, there's like this really cute monogram here, and the other side looks the same as well. And at the back, it has this silver Louis Vuitton. The front here, there's also a cute little Louis Vuitton. The inside is gold. I'm actually wearing a size 8.5 again. I assume that Louis Vuitton have their own size, because when I went there, I told the staff, I said, I want size 8.5, and then she was like, you mean the Louis Vuitton 8.5 or the US 8.5 or the UK 8.5? And I was like, the Louis Vuitton 8.5, and yes, it is my size. Yeah, but I'm actually wearing a US 10.5, so I guess if you're going to purchase the shoes for the first time, you should try 2 sizes smaller than your actual US size lah. Now I'm going to have a test fit and wear this with whatever I'm wearing now lah, huh? You can also match it with a white bag like this, yeah, so that it matches. Yep, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Just going down to this. So that's all for today's review, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have anything you want to comment or what, just leave a comment below, and I will try to reply you lah, huh? And lastly, it has been a really roller coaster ride for me, because I recently quit my job and I was like into this frenzy mode, and I moved. I got a new job now. My life has been great. Just really want to have a look back and thank everybody that has been with me for this past few weeks. And that's all for this video, and if you would love to hear my stories, see my house tour, or me sharing my aligners journey, just leave a comment below and I will do it for you. See you and bye!